Okay, so John and Peter had some stamps. After John and Peter used the same number of stamps, John had 3/4 left, Peter had 1/3 left. So they say total in the end they have 385. How many stamps did they use all together? Okay, now remember all this fraction, you can actually express it as something else. Correct? So those fractions, if you recall, I can actually express it as a ratio. Okay, but before I express as a ratio, you should notice these two fractions are not related. They are not related. One is for John, one is for Peter. Okay, so you should be expecting two sets of ratio, each for different person. So my first set of ratio, I'll title this as John first. Okay, I'll title this as John. Now you have the number 3 and the 4 here. You must understand what does 3 units mean, what does 4 units mean first. Okay, what is 3 units in this case?
Oh, 3 units is how much he has left.
Correct. What about the 4 units?
He's like before.
Before the total, right?
Yeah.
Correct. 4 units is all together what he has. So 3 units is what he's left in the end. So I'll write down left to total. Okay, 3 is to 4. Okay, normally what I will do is I'll write down the numbers first, then I decide the title from here. I decide the heading. So once I write 3 to 4, then I will ask myself, okay, what is this 3 units? Okay, is the left. Then what is the 4 units? 4 units the total. So then I'll write the words down. Okay, so we can do the same for Peter. Okay, so Peter at 1/3 left, so same thing, left to total.
1 to 3.
1 to 3, very good. Okay, so you see, we have two ratios. Okay, any idea what's the common base between these two?
No.
Okay, so you have to read back the question. Did the question give you any hints that something is the same as something?
No.
Really? Yeah, read again.
Oh, they use the same amount of stamps.
Yes. You see, I underline this. They use the same number of stamps. So what they use will be your common base. Okay, so if you notice, I can come up with the use and used here.
Oh, 2 and 1 is John is 1 and Peter is 2.
Very good. Okay, just take 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, so Declan, are you aware how I get this 1 and 2 here?
4 minus 3.
Ah, correct. And then this one?
3 minus 1.
Good. Okay, so now I need to make common base. Make the used as your common base. Okay.
Make it to 2.
Yeah, make it into 2. Okay, so everything times 2. So underline the common base.
Oh, is it 4 units is, no, I don't know if it's correct.
385 stamps is in the end, right?
Yeah.
So in this case, what is the Indian units?
11. Oh, in the end, 7, 7.
Okay, how you get 7?
6 plus 1.
Correct. So your in the end is talking about what they are left with, correct? So you should be focusing on the left ratio. Okay, and I repeat, always use the new ratio. Do not use back the old one. Okay, I'll let you all try from here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll let you all continue from here. Okay, Paying good. Your answer is correct. Okay, so in this case, like what Payne has shared with us just now, okay, your 6U plus 1U is the total units that are in the end. Okay, total units left in the end. So the 7 units. Okay, so this 7 units represents the 385. Okay, so be careful when you do this question. Okay, don't just randomly plug any numbers to add together, then equals to 385. You must always read 385 is in the end. In the end means whatever is left in the end. Okay, so of course you just need to find 1 unit. And the question asks how many stamps did they use all together? So which is the used?
Used is 4 units.
Yeah, 4 units.
Okay, Declan, why 4 units? Where you get the 4 from?
Well, 2 plus 2.
Correct. Very good. The used, this one, 2 units, and this one, 2 units. Okay, so very good. So total use is 4 units, so just find 4 units. Okay, so there you go. That's the answer. All okay with this?